Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to automatically send coupon codes on email to new Google Form responses. So the idea is that if someone fills out the Google Form, he will be getting an email from me containing a coupon code. But the issue here is there is no direct connection between Google Forms, Google Sheets and Gmail. So that is why I will be using an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that integrates Google Forms, Google Sheets and Gmail. The best part here is a person without any technical background can perform this integration easily. Now before I show you the steps, how about we begin with a real-time example. Okay, so this is my Google form and this is my Google Sheet containing the data of coupons. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a dummy submission as a guy called as 𝙃𝙖𝙫. So 𝙃𝙖𝙫 is the guy. So we will see whether 𝙃𝙖𝙫 will receive an email with a coupon code. Okay, so what we are going to do here is we are going to make a dummy submission first. So we have a guy called as 𝙃𝙖𝙫 and this is the email address where we will be sending the coupon code. And let me just add the age, that is, let's say 45, and let me just make a submission. Okay, so the submission has been made by a guy called as 𝙃𝙖𝙫 with the email address 𝙃𝙖𝙫663@gmail.com. So now the idea is that from this particular sheet containing the coupon codes, 𝙃𝙖𝙫 will be receiving a coupon. Okay, so this is the coupon code. Okay, so this data will be shown in the email that 𝙃𝙖𝙫 is going to receive. So let me just take you to the email profile of 𝙃𝙖𝙫. Okay, so this is the email profile of 𝙃𝙖𝙫 and as you can see, he has indeed received an email. And this is the email. Hello 𝙃𝙖𝙫, thanks for filling out our form. I hope you are having a great day. I have a gift for you. You can avail 10% discount on any product in our store. You can redeem it by entering the coupon code. So this is the coupon code. And if you may remember, this coupon code directly came from this Google Sheet. Okay, so this is the Google Sheet and this is the coupon code. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Google Forms to Google Sheets to Gmail? So here we have used an integration and automation software to create a workflow to integrate Google Forms, Google Sheets and Gmail. Now, the important thing I have to say is once you build this workflow, every time a new response is added in Google Forms, a new email will be sent containing the coupon codes automatically. So let me just show you the process. In the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. Here you can build your own account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already created an account, so let me just straight away click on sign in. Okay, so this is the app section of Pabbly. Let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Google Forms to Google Sheets to Gmail. Google Sheets to Gmail. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. It's totally on you. And let me just straight away click on create. So when you click on create, you will find two windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. So what's the deal with the trigger window as well as the action window? Now we are going to send the data from Google Forms. That is why here I'm going to select the app as Google Sheets. Google Forms. Okay, Google Forms it is. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new response in spreadsheet? Here you have two obvious questions. The first obvious question is, why the hell are we working on incognito mode? Well, the answer is very simple. The integration of Google Forms involve the creation of Google Sheet. Now, if you are working with Google Sheet and have multiple Gmail accounts, it is always advisable that you work in incognito mode. Now, the second question is, why the hell the trigger event is new response in spreadsheet? It should be something like new response in Google Forms. Okay, so to explain you better, let me just straight away take you to the Google form. So this is a newly created Google Forms. Basically, it's the copy of the old form. And as you can see, we have three fields, name, email, and the age. So what we're going to do here is, first of all, we are going to deal with Google Sheet. So what we are going to do here is, as you can see, we actually have to create a Google Sheet associated with this particular form, and then we are going to integrate that Google Sheet to Pabbly Connect. If you don't get it, it's totally fine. So first of all we have to do is just click on the last field. In my case, that's age, and make sure that this field is mandatory. Okay, so then go to responses. Okay, and after that we are going to create a spreadsheet or a Google Sheet associated with this particular form. So let me just create this spreadsheet. Okay, and by default it is showing this will be the name, New CG Comics and Bookstore. Of course you can give the name according to your choice, but I'm happy with this particular name. And let me just straight away click on create. Okay, so as you can see, a new Google Sheet is getting created. Now if you have worked with Google Forms, you should know that any response that we get here will be automatically entered here. And from here we will be sending the data to Pabbly Connect. Okay, I hope it is getting clear now. So what we are going to do here is we are going to integrate this particular Google Sheet to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so to begin the integration process, first of all, just click on add-ons. So when you click on add-ons, you will find an add-on called as Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Now since you are beginning fresh, Pabbly Connect Webhooks might not have been installed in your Google Sheet. So first of all, just click on Get Add-ons. So when you click on Get Add-ons, Google Workspace Marketplace opens up in front of you. Now in the search, all you have to do is just type Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Pabbly Connect Webhooks, this one. Okay, so as you can see, Pabbly Connect Webhook is installed in my system. So all you have to do is just click on this button and Pabbly Connect Webhooks will be installed in your Google Sheet also. Now what we are going to do here is, after you install Pabbly Connect Webhooks, do not forget to refresh your Google Sheet. I repeat this again, after installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks, do not forget to refresh your Google Sheet. Okay, so let me just cancel this. I'm assuming that you have installed Pabbly Connect Webhooks and also refreshed your Google Sheet. Okay, now we actually have a very interesting thing to note. As you can see, column D, okay, I repeat this again, column D is our last data entry column. After column D, we don't have any other columns. Column D is our last data entry column. Remember this. So let me just go back to add-ons, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, just click on initial setup. Okay, so this is the window of initial setup. Here we have to fill in two fields, the webhook URL as well as the trigger column. The trigger column is always the last data entry column. In our case, the trigger column is column D. Okay, then we have to figure out the webhook URL. So this is my webhook URL. Let me just go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the webhook URL. We have also mentioned the trigger column. Let me just straight away click on submit. Okay, excellent. So basically this means we have integrated this Google Sheet to Pabbly Connect. This basically means if anytime a submission happens in this particular Google Forms, the data will be collected here and from here it will go to Pabbly Connect. And Pabbly Connect is now ready to capture the details. Now there is one minor thing you have to do. Go back to add-ons, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, just click on send on event. It will ensure that anytime column D is filled, it will send the data to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us perform the experiment. So let me just go to preview. Okay, and we are going to fill the details. Now we are going to fill the detail as a guy called as, we are done with the 𝗪𝗵𝘆. So let's go with this guy, 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay, so this is the submitter. So I'm just going to copy the email. Okay, because on this email address, we will be sending the email. So that is why I've just copied the email address. Okay, and the name of the guy is Sneh. Okay, and then we have the email address. Let me just paste the email address. I'm sorry, this is not the email address that we want. Let me just minus this. Okay, so this is the email address, 𝗪𝗵𝘆6@gmail.com, and this is the age. So 𝗪𝗵𝘆 is 45 years old. Let me just click on submit. So the submission has been made by a guy called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆. So let's have a look whether the data will be sent into Google Sheets or not. Okay, so this is the Google Sheet. Okay, so we have the details, we have the timestamp, the name, the email, and of course the last data entry column, or also known as the trigger column, as 45. So let's have a look. Do we have the details of this particular submission in Pabbly Connect or not? Yes, we do have the details. We have the name, we have the email, we have the age, and of course the row index. Row index is basically this row, okay, the second row. It is now showing it as second row. Excellent. Now we have got the data of the respondent. Now we have to deal with the coupon codes. Okay, so as you can see, this is a Google Sheet containing the details of the coupon codes. So these are all the coupon codes I have. And as you can see, the most important thing here is the status is shown as no. All of these status are no. This is because none of these coupons have been sent to any respondent at this point. Okay, now we have this old coupon sheet. Okay, and as you can see, some of the status are shown as yes. This is because all these coupons have been sent to a particular person or particular respondent as an email. So what we're going to do here is, first of all, we have to make two conditions. Okay, basically it's a simple condition that if the status is no, then only the coupon code will be sent. If the status is yes, the coupon code won't be sent. Okay, I hope it is getting clear. If the coupon code is yes, the status is yes, okay, that coupon code won't be sent. For instance, we have a coupon code, okay, and at present it is showing it as no from this Google Sheet, okay. So technically this coupon code will be sent. This is because this coupon code has not been sent earlier. Similarly, we have this coupon code and the status is no. So these coupon codes have not been sent to any respondent or any person. But let's have a look at this sheet. So as you can see, the status it is showing yes. This basically means that this coupon code has been sent to someone else. So it can't be sent again to another person. Similarly, this coupon code has been sent, this has been sent, and if you may remember, this was the latest coupon code that we have sent to 𝘃𝙖𝗪𝗼𝗍𝗯𝗃. So from here, we will be sending the coupon code, okay? So this is because the status is no. So that is why we have to make a condition that only if the status is shown as no, then only the coupon code should be sent. So what we are going to do here is we are going to work with this Google Sheet. Okay, this is a newly created one. We can ignore this Google Sheet. Okay, I'm just going to cancel this. Okay, let's focus on this Google Sheet, new coupon sheet. And the status of all of them is presently no. Now we have to bring this data into Pabbly Connect. So what we are going to do here is, first of all, in the action, we are going to select the app as Google Sheets. Google Sheets it is. Now in the action event, how about we make it as look for the row. Okay, so where is get row? I'm sorry, not this one. Okay, this one, look up spreadsheet row. So basically we want to figure out all those coupon codes whose value is no. So let me just straight away click on connect. We are going with the new connection. Just click on connect with Google Sheets. Okay, so this is the account we are selecting. Now Pabbly Connect wants access to my Google account. So let me just straight away click on continue. Okay, so it's showing the authorization is successful. Brilliant. Okay, so by default, it is showing the select spreadsheet as new coupon sheet. So this is the coupon sheet that we are interested in. Now, these are all the spreadsheet that is present in my Google Drive or my Gmail account. But I'm interested in this one only, new coupon sheet. Now in the select sheet, it is showing the sheet 1. Okay, so this is because this is the sheet 1. There is only one sheet, that is sheet 1. Now we have to look up the columns. Okay, now we have to look up for the particular column. Now the column that we are interested in is column B. Okay, this is the column we are interested in. Okay, so we have to mention the column as column B because the condition is if the value of the status is no, then only Pabbly Connect should receive the data. So that is why I'm going to mention the column as B because this is the column that we want to search. Okay, so this is the column that we want to search. Now the value that we want to search is no. Okay, that's pretty obvious. Then we have to show that should we include headers in the response. Now do we want the data of the header, that is the coupon code or the status? We don't really want it, so I'm changing it as false. Okay, and it is asking from where should it sort the value. Should it sort from the top or should it sort from the bottom? Let's keep it as top. Okay, so when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the data of all those rows which contains the status as no. Now it won't show all those rows, it will just show the first 3 rows. Okay, now these are the first 3 rows which contain the status as no. Okay, so these are the first 3 rows. Okay, so it is already showing the status as no. So when I click on save and send test request, it will show the data that is the coupon status is no. So let me do that. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, we have the first coupon value. So this is the first coupon value. Okay, then we have the second one. Okay, so we have the second one. Okay, and then we have the third one. As I mentioned, it will only show the first 3 rows. Okay, this is the third one. Okay, and the unique characteristic is the status of all these coupon codes is no because they haven't been sent to anyone at this point. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to send this coupon code to our respondent, and our respondent was this guy, 𝙏𝙖𝙫𝙀 𝘃𝙖𝙀, and we will be sending via Gmail. So we are going to introduce Gmail. Okay, so let me just add Gmail. Gmail it is. Okay, so now in the action event, how about make it as send an email and simply just click on connect. We are going with the new connection, just click on connect with Gmail. Okay, so this is the account through which I will be sending the email. So I'm the sender and this is the sender account. So let me just straight away click on continue. Authorization successful. Okay, excellent. Now we have to fill all these fields. For instance, we have the recipient name. Now, if you may remember, the recipient was the respondent, that is 𝗏. We have to map this detail here. So we click here, and we have the respondent's data, that is 𝗏. Then similarly, this is the respondent's email address, 𝗏𝗵𝘆 𝗖𝗎𝗓@gmail.com. Now the sender name, okay, the sender name is CG Comics Stores. Okay, so this was the form name, new CG Comic Books and Stores. So I'm just going with sender's name as CG Comic Stores. Now this is the sender email address, or basically my email address. I will be sending the email through this email address. Okay, that's obvious. Then we have the email subject, coupons and discount. Coupons and discount. Now we have to enter the email content. So the email content will be something like hello. Okay, so this is the email content. Hello, thanks for filling out the form. I hope you are having a great day. I have a gift for you. You can avail 10% discount on any product in our store. You can redeem it by entering this code. So first of all, let's enter the person's name. So the person's name was 𝗏. Okay, hello 𝗏, thanks for filling out the form. And after that, you can redeem it by entering this code. Now this is the code that we are interested in. Okay, so this is the first coupon code. Okay, this is the first coupon code, and we are going to map this detail here. So we click here. First of all, let me just enter a small space. Okay, and from the second accordion, we have the value of the code. So this is the code value. So at this point, all you have to do is just click on save and send test request to send this data to Google Sheet. I'm sorry, as an email to this person, that is 𝗏𝗵𝘆 𝗖𝗎𝗓@gmail.com. So let me do that. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the response is a positive one. So let's have a look whether this email address 𝗏𝗵𝘆 has got any email. So let me just straight away take you to 𝗏𝗵𝘆's email address. So this is the email address of 𝗏𝗵𝘆, and this is the email that he has received from CG Comic Store, and this is the subject, coupons and discount. Hello 𝗏, thanks for filling out the form. I hope you are having a great day, and so and so. Then we have 10% discount, and this is the coupon code. Excellent. Now the important thing is this coupon code has been sent to 𝗏𝗵𝘆6@gmail.com. Now no other person should receive this coupon code. So we have to ensure or figure out a way that this coupon code won't be sent again. So what we are going to do here is we have to make sure anytime the status is made as yes, okay, anytime the status is made as yes, the data or the coupon code won't be sent. Okay, the status at present is no. We have to make sure that this status changes as yes. Okay, so once it is yes, the data won't be sent. So let me just go to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here we basically have to update this cell. And to update this cell, first of all, we have to make sure we have to select Google Sheets. Google Sheets. Now in the action event, how about we make it as update a cell or update a row? Okay, so as you can see, I have mentioned the action event as update row because we want to update this particular row. Okay, so let me just straight away click on connect. We are going with the new connection, and let me just straight away click on connect with Google Sheets. Okay, so this is the account. Okay, you obviously now know the drill. Let me just straight away click on continue. Authorization successful, excellent. Okay, so by default it is showing the select spreadsheet as content marketing for SaaS software. So this is actually a Google Sheet that is present in my Gmail account or my Google Drive account, but we want this sheet that is new coupon sheet. So I'm selecting new coupon sheet, and we have to select the sheet as sheet 1. Okay, this is because it is already showing the sheet as sheet 1. There is only one sheet. Okay, now we have to figure out the row index. Now the row is let me just figure out. This is our row. Okay, so the row is row number 2, and this is the data that we will receive from here. Okay, that is row number 2. Okay, so this is the row number 2. So we are going to map this particular detail here. We click here and we click here, and this is the row number 2. Okay, then we have the coupon code. If you may remember, again this data comes from here. This is the coupon code. Okay, so we have got all these details. Now we have to enter the status. Now at present, the present status is no. We have to change it as yes. Okay, because the condition is only if the status is no, then only that coupon code should be sent. If the status at present it is now shown as yes, this coupon code won't be sent because now we are going to change it. Okay, so let me just straight away click on save and send test request. Okay, so let's have a look. Yes, as you can see, it has been updated. Okay, so what's next? So we have definitely sent the email. We have also changed the status. So how about we make one more submission to understand the whole process? So let me just go to the preview, or let me just make another submission from here. Okay, so this time we are going to work with a different email profile. So this time a person called as Amy Alexander is going to make the submission. Okay, so let me just copy this. This is the email address, and in this email address we will be sending another email containing the coupon code. So the name is Amy, with the email address amy26064@gmail.com. This is the age, she is 23, and let me just straight away click on submit. Okay, so the submission has been made. So the data also has arrived in this Google Sheet. Okay, so let's have a look whether the status has changed. Yes, as you can see, the status has automatically changed to yes. This is because Amy has indeed received the email containing this particular coupon code. So let's have a look what's the email that Amy has received. Okay, so let me just refresh this once. Okay, so as you can see, this is the email that Amy has received. Hello Amy, thanks for filling out the form and so and so and so and so. And then we have the coupon code. So this coupon code has been sent. Basically, it means this coupon code has been used. So that means we don't have any use for this particular coupon code anymore. And the status at present is yes. So the next status at this point is this one. So next person who will be submitting the form will get this coupon code because the status is no. So I hope you're getting it now. So this was the whole process. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize all these windows one by one. Okay, so this is the action window and this is the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Google Forms to Pabbly Connect, and then you have made sure that you look up the spreadsheet row to figure out how many of the coupon codes have the status as no. And then after that you have integrated Gmail to Pabbly Connect, you composed the email, and after that you inserted the coupon code to send it as an email. After that you have introduced this action window to update that specific row in which the coupon code was sent. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Google Forms, Google Sheets and Gmail. Excellent. So basically all you have to build this workflow for once, and once a submission is made in Google Forms, the data will be automatically sent in Gmail. Excellent. So not just these two apps, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, please contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect as well as the workflow is available in the description box. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.